Thanks for tuning in to another awesome, great episode of Driven by Gears. Today, we're going to put together a welding cart. I've been procrastinating on getting one of those for the longest time, and I finally got one. Because I got a plasma cutter, welder, and all that, and I wanted to combine it together with the hoses and all that. So I finally got one. I just basically ordered it off Walmart, pretty cheap. Some off-brand, of course. It's not real rugged. You don't want to get too crazy with it. But for in here in the garage, it'll work just fine. So you can see here I got, my welder up here up top. I have a long extension cord because I basically have to run it all the way out of the garage into the house because all this stuff is on one circuit and it always blows it. So that's what that is, spooled up. And welding stuff on this side, and then the plasma cutter, I got it on that side with the air hose and all that. So works pretty good. Looks pretty neat, professional. So yeah, that ought to work pretty good. So this about does it for this just small little sweet episode. Make sure and subscribe if it's your first time, and we will get back on the general this coming week. So keep watching, and as always, keep it simple, keep it sweet.